Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Lavinia and I post beauty videos regarding makeup and skincare about once a week. So if that's something you're interested in, you want to talk about beauty, skincare, acne positivity, and just have fun and learn about some products, then this channel is definitely for you. So I'd love for you to join the channel by hitting the big red subscribe button. So if you've been watching me for a while, you know that here we partner with Stylevana every single month to bring you guys like an unboxing video where I try out a bunch of new K-beauty products. So if you don't know what Stylevana is, they're basically an online retailer where you can get K-beauty products and Korean skincare and Korean makeup without all the hassle of custom fees. You can just order directly through them. They have a lot of amazing products that I personally really love on their website and that I've discovered, you know, through working with them every single month. And today I am here to show you guys the brand new Stylevana VANA box. This month for June, they have 3 boxes available, launching today, June 22nd. I'm so excited to share this with you guys, and this is actually one of the 3 boxes. This is the SPF Superhero Squad. I'm going to be talking about some of the best K-beauty SPFs. Korean skincare SPFs are some of the best on the market because they don't leave a white cast. They use really great filters that aren't like as much available here in the West, and they leave the skin looking so glowy. They're really great for sensitive skin as well, so really great for acne prone skin, and I'm going to be diving into that. So let's get to unboxing this, and I do have a discount code for you guys as well if you're interested, so let's get right on into it.
Oh, you tell me stories, you tuck me in, and the second you leave I call you right back to check for monsters in my sheets.
So first off, you can use my code INF10LR to get 10 to 15% off Stylevana's website. If you want to get 15% off, you just have to exceed these amounts right here in these different currencies, but you can get some really great deals already on the website, but you can also save a little more extra money with my code right there. So you know what, let's get right into unboxing this because I'm super excited. Basically, these are all hand-picked items put into these boxes, and not only that, these boxes are great value. You get lots of product in here, lots of things to try out. So yeah, let's get right on into opening this. So this is what the box looks like right here, and we got a little guide to how to do your skincare in the morning. Very nice. So here are all the products in the box, all the sunscreens we have. I'm going to go through them one by one and show you guys the formulas. I'm going to be talking about 6 different Korean sunscreens that you guys should try out if you're looking for an SPF that won't sensitize your skin, that's a chemical filter, won't have a white cast, won't be thick and greasy, all of that. Yeah, so let's open these out. But let's start with this one right here, which I'm wearing today. This is by b.lab. This is what this looks like, and this is an SPF 50. Now, what I like about these is a lot of them are very high in SPF, so you're really gonna get that protection. And this one right here is the Matcha Hydrating Real Sunscreen. It's SPF 50 plus, as I said, and it's PA+++++. And this one is really amazing. It's cruelty-free, not tested on animals, made in Korea, and this one I wore today. It's a very interesting formula to it. It kind of reminds me of yogurt a little bit when you put it on. I'm going to show you guys how nicely this blends out, and so hydrating to the skin, very moisturizing, felt so nice on. Do you see how easily that blended out? This gave my skin such a nice glow today. I'm really happy I got to try this out. I'd highly recommend this if you want more of that water-based formula in an SPF because it kind of feels like a water cream, but it's still super hydrating. So this might be really great in the summer. It's really refreshing, really light on the skin, and it will give you that really high protection. Speaking of high, you know, moisturization factors, let's talk about this one from Pastel. This is the Safe Recipe Panthenol and Ceramide SPF 50 PA++++, and I really like some of their products. I have tried their moisturizer before, and oh my gosh, does that help my skin when it is in like dire need of some moisture and ceramides. And they have an SPF version of it. You know, you can get that sun protection, but you can also get those amazing ceramides and that panthenol in there to really help out the skin. So if you find that you have, you know, a compromised moisture barrier or you really struggle with dry skin, this might be the SPF for you. Let me show you guys this formula because this one is also really nice. Kind of put a lot, but that's okay. These blend out really great. So this one is so nourishing to the skin. So as I said, if you struggle with dry skin or you have a compromised moisture barrier, if you have acne and need those ceramides in there to help your skin heal, this is a great thing to add to your routine. As I said, I love the regular moisturizer from Pastel with the ceramides and the panthenol, but the fact that I can just use this product and get that SPF in there as well is amazing. Blends out so nice and leaves the skin feeling so nourished. All right, let's talk about another sunscreen that kind of has some other benefits in there, and not just sun protection, which sun protection alone is like the best thing you can do for your skin. But this one right here is from Bellflower, and this is the Watermelon Fresh Sunscreen SPF 50 plus, PA++++. So these are kind of similar in that kind of SPF factor and that sun protection. But this one right here is really nice because we actually have sodium hyaluronate in here, which is a form of hyaluronic acid. So that will really help with hydration in the skin. We even have niacinamide in here and Centella asiatica. So it's a really great formula, especially for, you know, acne prone skin. This one's kind of fun too because it kind of has like a little bit of a pink tint to it, as you can see right there. But I have used this in the past. Actually, we did a video where I used this in one of my K-Beauty monthly videos, and oh my gosh, do we see how that blended out? Just beautiful on the skin. It gives a really nice glow, and this one right here is very dewy on, I find, and very hydrating. I love using this one when I want that like glow from within on my skin, and I get that sun protection. So it's a really, really great formula. No sensitivities from it, and it just feels very nice on the skin. All right, switching it up here. Sometimes, you know, reapplying sunscreen can be tough, and something like this can help. This is a stick version of a sunscreen. So this is from Isntree. It's their hyaluronic acid airy sun stick. Now this right here from Isntree is their hyaluronic acid natural sunscreen. One of my favorites. I've gone through so much of this. This is not included in the box, but the stick kind of version of it is. So I just wanted to kind of mention that. So this product right here comes like this, and it looks like a little deodorant stick actually. Basically, you just open this up and you would just apply this. I'm gonna apply it like on my arm. You just apply it like that wherever you need the sunscreen. Kind of blend it into it. Actually, it doesn't have too thick of a formula, so you can spread it out pretty easily. And that's it. Doesn't leave a white cast, doesn't leave any, you know, mess or feel thick or gross or anything like that, which a lot of sunscreens here in America and in Canada can really feel like that thick, greasy feel that you don't even want to put sunscreen on at the end of the day. And plus a lot of them are mineral sunscreens, so they leave a really thick white cast. But these are chemical filters that are really, really great for sensitive skin also. So I love this one. Has that hyaluronic acid in here. This is perfect to just throw in your purse, reapply it throughout the day. It's really easy to even apply like straight onto the face like that. You know, you can just like do this and apply it wherever you need and kind of blend out, and you'll be nice and protected from the sun. Next up, we're going to talk about this one. This is the Jeju Botanical Sunscreen SPF 50 PA++++. This is from the Pure Lotus. First of all, this packaging, so pretty. I'm obsessed with this bottle. It's so simple and beautiful in my opinion. So this is what this formula looks like right here. Apply a bit more so you guys can see. So this one has a bit of a thicker consistency compared to some of those more watery type formulas, but this has some pretty interesting ingredients in here. We have a lot of different oils in here, and a bunch of leaf extracts. And when you blend it out, as I said, it's a little thicker than the other ones, but it feels very rich on the skin, very nourishing, and it still blends out to be this, you know, transparent formula. It doesn't leave any type of white cast at all. And as I said, this one feels very nourishing to the skin, and it smells so amazing as well. So definitely a good one to try out. And then we've reached the last one in the box. This is from Beauty of Joseon, and this is the Relief Sun Rice Plus Probiotics SPF 50 PA++++. So here is what this SPF looks like, and this is made up of 30% rice extract, and then it has probiotics originated extracts in here as well. There's some ferments in here, which is really cool. I love fermented products in Korean beauty. Let's just go ahead and squeeze some on my hand so you can see it. Oh, I put way too much on, but this is what this formula looks like right here. I am going to, you know what, let's just make sure my whole arm is protected from the sun today, even though it's nighttime right now when I'm showing you guys these when I'm filming, because that's when I film my videos. But can we see, like, No white cast at all with this. Just blend it out so effortlessly. This again has more of that watery like formula. A lot of these do, super refreshing, perfect for summer. And the fact that it has some of those probiotics in there are really great too. It's just a nice add-on, but really beautiful formula, smooths out really nicely, but still leaves the skin hydrated. So with a lot of these formulas, you know, they double as a moisturizer too. They're gonna look really pretty on the skin. And in the summer, sometimes we don't wanna pile on too much product. So honestly, if you're gonna use one product in the morning, just use a sunscreen. And especially with these, they're not gonna be sensitizing, they're not gonna leave a white cast, they're gonna make your skin look super glowy, and they're gonna give you that hydration and moisturization as well. So some really amazing formulas in this VANA box. All right guys, so there you have it. There is the unboxing of the Stylevana VANA box. This is the SPF Superhero Squad box, and I honestly am obsessed with this box because summer is coming up. You need to be protected from the sun. I can't stress it enough. Getting a box like this and trying out some great SPFs is, you know, a great way to kind of get more into SPF and find your perfect formula. Because I always say the best SPF out there is the one you're actually going to use. So this way you can try out a bunch of them really like in an affordable way, you know, getting them all as a bundle and see which one you like best. Personally, I like all these formulas a lot. I would have to say my favorite might have to be the matcha hydrating one. I also do really like the stick one though, very efficient, and the Pastel one is really great when my skin is going through it and super dry. So yeah, again, you can use my code INF10LR to save some money too off the Stylevana website if you choose to. But that is it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll have all the products I mentioned in today's video linked down below in my description, so make sure to go check them out. But I love you guys all so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Oh, you tell me stories, you tuck me in, and the second you leave, I call you right back to check for monsters in my